Have you ever wondered how to eat flax? Have you ever tried the shiny, plump, nutty golden flax seeds? For a small price, flaxseed has a powerhouse of nutritional benefit for your health. Not only does it have essential omega-3 as well as protein, minerals and vitamins, the outside hull of the seeds hold the incredible anti-inflammatory benefits for lignans. 1. What are the powerful health benefits of flax? Just a few of the health benefits of flax are: decreases inflammation and arthritis pain, as well as boosts the immune system, is a low glycemic food and helps to stabilize blood sugars, can help maintain or lose weight because the omega-3 good fatty acids tell your brain you are full, while the body feels full longer because of the fiber, and fights heart disease, high cholesterol, diabetes, cancer, constipation, menopausal symptoms including hot flashes and depression. How to eat flax too. Look for quality flax. Flax seed should be shiny, plump, and slippery due to the omega-3 oil. Not all flax is equal, as with most things in life, there are also various qualities of flaxseed. If possible, know your source since flaxseed is grown in many other countries with different standards, then shipped to be packaged here. Does the packaging tell you where the flax is grown? Quality test: does it smell bad or have a bitter aftertaste? If the ground flax you are eating tastes bitter or smells rancid, it likely is. Flax is food just like bread or fruit and can go bad because of the omega-3 oils. So, if it is rancid, you won't get the benefits from eating it. 3. Crush the seed or use cold milled flax. If you prefer buying flax seed and grinding it, then you will need a coffee grinder or strong blender. Grind the flax seed and whatever you don't eat that day, store the rest in a container in the fridge or freezer. I recommend eating it in 1 week, but use the taste test. If you buy ground flax, it must be cold milled so that the omega-3 is not exposed to heat. If it tastes bad or smells bad, the omega-3 may have at some point been exposed to heat in grinding or storing and have gone rancid. 4. Favorite ways to eat flaxseed. Remember that flax seed is food and there really is no wrong way to eat flax. If it tastes good to you in something, then that is a great way to eat it. One of the easiest and tastiest ways to start eating flax is to add it to yogurt or your cereal in the morning. You can add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seed in a small yogurt container. Start with 1 tablespoon. If you make protein shakes or smoothies, you can easily and deliciously add ground flax to either of these. Flax adds remarkable nutrition to your smoothies and protein drinks. 5. How much flax a day? Eat 2 to 3 tablespoons per day of raw, cold milled flax seed. If you cook with flax, you also want to eat some raw because otherwise you will lose some of the omega-3 benefits.